Welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about the very important feature of Odoo 17, that is the front desk. Front desk is plays a very vital role for an organization as it is the contact point between the organization and the one out of the organization, and they manage the visitor, the phone calls, or any documents which are coming by post, and everything are being managed with by the front desk person. So let's go and check out what are the feature of front desk in Odoo. So we can see there are 4 options: station, visitors, reporting, and configuration. So station is the part, we call it the front desk. So the first interface which we are looking at is the station part. So we are having the common feature as Kanban, list view, and the filter part. So apart from everything, we have an option to create a front desk, as I have already created one. So let's go and configure it. So we can see, as my company name is Apagen front desk, so the responsible person I am keeping as Michael admin, or view, or one can keep multiple responsible person for the front desk. So let's take Joel, and the company San Francisco, and the kiosk URL can be shared with the devices which can connect for the visitors to enter their information. So we are having the option of host selection, who is hosting the meeting or any schedule for that. We can ask the we can authenticate the guest with the mail ID, phone numbers, organization. We can configure from here, none or optional or required. We can also set the desk color. It could be in light, as we are seeing in light, or in dark mode. Self-checking, if the visitor we are having, Odoo gives the option of self-checking by showing the URL, and in fact it also gives the option to the visitor to order drinks. So we can configure from here also. Later we will show that how to configure the drinks for the visitor, but as we are having 2 drinks already saved in our system, cola and water. So let's go in this station. If any message we want to give to the visitor, we can write over here, so he or she can see that message. And in fact we can, just clicking the edit button, we can select any, let's say, just for example I am keeping the icon as bookshelf, and just save the station. It is taking a bit longer due to internet connection. So we have created a station or this front desk for Apagen. So just clicking the open kiosk, we can see a URL has been created and the wallpaper which we saved in the front desk can be seen over here. So the user will click check-in. Let's say my name is Satya. I will type it Satya, my phone number, and my company name Apagen. Click. If I want to drink something, yes, I wanna drink something. I would like to drink cola. I will click on cola. Thank you for registering. Now close it. So this is the part for the front desk which user will see, and in the back end what we can see, visitor. I have already opened a tab for the visitor as my internet is a bit slow. So I can see a visitor is created, Satya Apagen. This one I have created just now, and the timing of check-in is 20 minutes 40 seconds. So on clicking from the backend, we can see this is the meeting. When the meeting is over, we can simply check out. Excuse me. And in fact, we can also see in the calendar view that 2 of the scheduled meetings are there with the visitor. Both are Satya. So I have done this one right now. Okay. Now the reporting part. All the visitor who approached the organization chart can be seen over here. We have multiple reporting views like pie chart, line chart, and so on. Now let's go to the configuration part. Click the station. So one can create the station. In the front station part also, we were having the option of station creation, or you can click from here also. Now let's go to the interesting part, that is the drink part. The one your company is going to serve to the visitor can configure from here. Just click on new, select, let's say I like cold drink, cold drinks. Notify the person who will be responsible to serve the cold drink will be, let's say, Mitchell admin. Sequence 1, save this. So whenever a visit, and then configure to the station. Let's go and check is the cold drink is there. We can see cold drink is there. You can select from here also, and that's it for now. I guess everything I have covered. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos, and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.